Bye.
Open it. Stop. Closer. Okay, open. Push. Yun. Yun. Okay, go.
Huh? My bed? Mommy. I'll just my bed.
Okay. Hindi naman pala siya ganun kaliit. No?
Sakto lang. Tama lang, tama lang, tama lang. Hindi maluwag, hindi din. Sige.
I can't do this.
Let's see kung may view tayo. Ay. Okay.
Sa harap talaga mismo.
Cute. Bless you. Cute.
Okay, saan tayo pupunta?
Akihabara.
Yeah, let's go!
Anime street.
Yeah, oh, ano yun?
Akihabara.
Akihabara. Okay, let's go! It's the Kanda River. Yeah, Kanda River. Yan, diretso. Diretso lang yun dun sa dulo. Akihabara na yan. Sumimasen. What? Buy what? Where? Where? Where will we buy the robots? Ano, saan tayo magkain?
Sa ano? Yoshinoya.
Hindi, hanap tayo Yoshinoya eh. Ha? What? How about the spinach? The leaf, that's the spinach.
Ano yun? Ramen?
Yung QQ ramen ba? Di ba ayaw man ni Butsu yan?
Oo. I like the ramen.
Dito, mas gusto niya yan. Mas gusto niya daw yan kaysa sa QQ. How about that? They don't spinach soup. Come on.
We tried the tonkotsu lake. Tonkotsu. Ano to? Parang hindi tonkotsu.
Kito ka na. Parang siyo lang. Parang yung soup niya may ano lang. Parang either miso lang or parang asin lang. Ganun good. Sige lang, ate. Kain ka na namin.
Ayoko nga mag-rice.
Deserve mo.
Yeah, deserve ko siya.
Actually, kahit padami ka ng rice, babawiin mo din yan sa galak dito.
Ilang steps kaya sa isang araw.
Nakailan na kaya tayo? Dalawa. Ibagdagan na ito ng briefing.
Aking habara pa lang.
Kaya bara pa lang. Lapit nga lang sa ano, no? Kasi wala ka sa lapit, no?
Ginza.
Kayang di?
Tokyo Metro muna. Tapos lalakad pa papuntang Ginza.
Yeah. Pero kung ano ba, galing dun sa hotel papunta dito, kung ganun lang naman yung lakad natin.
300 meters lang.
Hindi, kung ganun lang yung lakad natin, kaya yung Ginza, no?
Eh, 1 kilometer yung kahabaan ng Ginza.
I mean, times 3 lang yung lakad natin, kaya pa din. Hindi na kahirap. Kahit summer. After yung may daw soup. Well,
坏了，你的东西别换。对，因为高达本来就要拆掉这个椅子，但是高达很简单太坏了，它挂好几好几百。留着这个。
What's that, Astin? What's that? It's a bird? What's that? Oh, look. It's a beetle.
Oh look, it's alive.
Why are you pranking mommy? Put it back.
Alright.
What's that, Austin? Oh look, it's a pirate ship. Yeah, he's gonna Austin. Yeah, you have the one that's when you were a little kid, right? It's a pirate though when you take it out. Yeah. Huh? Ultraman dito, Ultraman.
Ako talaga yung Ultraman.
Ayun no, 770 lang ba ano.
Ano yung kumanya?
Yes, Snoopy, oh, Snoopy.
What is
Snoopy.
What is this?
Oh no, oh no, oh no, I'm so sorry. Oh no, I'm sorry. Yeah.
So weird.
What's your toy, Austin? What is it?
gonna walk.
All the way to the hotel?
No, not away to the hotel. Just the end of the road.
No, it's really
Yeah, we're gonna go and get the umbrella from mommy.
okay, yeah,
It's Star Tiger.
it's kind
Kom, vi är hit och vi slår hem bara.